Hi, I'm Christina Chu. I'm a computer web specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to organize downloads by date in Firefox. So if we open up Firefox here, you can actually see all the things you download in the history menu. So click on history, click on show all history, and then it should have a downloads button on your left here. So click on downloads, and it'll show you everything you download. By default, it would organize it by the most recent download on top, and then it'll descend in descending order. Unfortunately, as you can see, there is no download filter, so you can't really filter it by date. What you could do though is Firefox has a whole slew of add-ons you can download. So if you go to their add-ons site, let's go to addons.mozilla.org, and you just type in your search here, and I already searched sort downloads by date, and it'll show you a slew of downloads, each of them having their own instructions to go along with it. So for example, if you want to click download the first one, like save downloads, download sort, add to Firefox, download sort, install now, restart now, and it's going to take some time for it to restart since it's downloading something. And it'll take you to the window, the automatic save folder, which will show you how to install it, how to use it, and all that jazz. And it does that for each add-on. So if you want to download, if you don't like this add-on and you want to download another one, you can totally do that right here. It's like download status bar, add to Firefox, install it, restart, and it takes you to the instruction window. So that is how you sort downloads by date in Firefox. By default, can't be done, but if you want, there's a whole slew of add-ons. So that is all. My name is Christina Chu. Thank you for your time.